For this activity, you're going to need this piece of paper that's in the back of your packet. So go ahead and grab it and write your name, number, and date on it. And then we'll discuss what we are going to do with it. All right, you are going to practice making tally marks. You're going to collect various data around the classroom and use tally marks and write them on this frequency table. That's what's in front of us, is a frequency table. And we have different types of data you'll be collecting. We have school lunch and home lunch, classmates' hair color, vehicles on the road, and then shoes in the classroom. So for example, the first thing you're going to do is the school lunch and the home lunch. Well, you're going to go over to our school lunch, home lunch chart, tally up how many school lunches there are. Now you're going to need to tally this correctly. If there are more than 5 school lunches, remember, on the 5th tally mark, you make a line across and then just keep going. And then you're going to count them up. Now, for example, if there are 7 school lunches, you write 7 in the frequency box. And then the home lunches as well. Okay. Then you'll go on, and you can do this without interrupting anybody. You can observe the classmates' hair colors in the classroom. You can count up how many students in the room have blonde hair, make a tally, and then add that up for the frequency. You can do that with brown hair and then black hair. That's something I want you to do without interrupting anybody. You don't need to walk up to somebody and say, "You have blonde hair, I'm going to write it down on my paper." Nope. I'm not going to do it. You're just going to do this quietly. The next one, vehicles on the road. This is where you can stand at the window of the classroom, probably the one over by the pathways on the shelf. And I want you to spend maybe a minute, 2 minutes watching how many vehicles drive by. You're going to tally up how many cars drive by, how many trucks, if any semis drive by, and anything that is not a car, truck, or semi. You make a tally mark on that. And then you add those up. Now, this is something you will also do without distracting a neighbor. You don't have to announce to the class, "I'm going to stand at the window." No, you just go over there quietly with a clipboard and your paper. I'll know what you're doing because I see you and I see your paper. If someone needs to get a pathway or something else over there, you're going to step away quietly and then step back again. Okay? Then the next one is the shoes in the classroom. You can quietly observe the different types of shoes you see in the classroom. We're going to do tennis shoes, boots, and anything that's not tennis shoes or boots, and tally those up and write the frequencies. So that is your activity with this paper. When you are done, move on to the next step of your pathway.